Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a 3/4 designs design team layout using the latest September collection called Birthday Wishes. This is from a crop we went to it's called Birch Tree. It's up in Wisconsin. That's my bestie from the northern Midwestie. That's her mother, and we were celebrating Anne. So we're going to use the birthday wishes. Now this is Anne's retirement celebration, but I'm going to use birthday wishes because it's fun. Alright. I have no real plan. Usually I'd just let the papers kind of strike me. But isn't this such a glorious collection? So I'm gonna, it is like my most favoriteest thing in the world is to fussy cut these things out. Oh, little puppy. Oh my god, the monkey. If it was my birthday or Sam's birthday I had pictures of, I would totally use the monkey because I call Sam Monkey. A little rhino dino. Oh, look at the little piggy. Let's see. I think maybe I can trim that down to fit there. And we'll run the photos there. Yes. You guys, I'm loving everything here. That's why it's always so hard to choose. Alright. Where were those strips? So I think I'm going to run that there. And then I'll put the photos on that. Okay, let me go ahead and get that. And then I gotta fussy cut some of these items out. I'm thinking the presents and all the goodies. Yes, 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 and some balloons. Maybe not the balloons, but. Alright. That's what we're gonna do. Give me a minute. I'm gonna trim this off. I'm gonna sending you a birthday wish wrapped with all my love. Have a very happy birthday. Ah, so cute. They have all those cute little sayings. So what's on the back of that? Oh, that's cute too though. Oh, alright. I'm gonna trim these, we're gonna mat those, I'm gonna cut this off and fussy cut some stuff, and we'll be right back. Well, loves, I got a little bit carried away. Kind of went to town here, so got the little bear. I've scuffed up the edges here. I've cut the pictures down. We put a little cupcake and some little embellishments. I got a little party hat. Got all kinds of food over here. I've popped up some presents and more party hats. I love the party hat on the bear. Now I am popping up these little, oh wow, that didn't even cut. Okay, well that's funny. I'm just gonna stick those there. Let's see. Those are just some pop dots. I don't even know what the dimension is. I'd say 1/4 of an inch pop. I'm trying to use up, you know, all my stuff, all this usable stuff that I've bought, and then it just sits there because I always use the same few things. Do you guys do that? But all this is popped up down here. Some of this is straight to the page. These balloons I thought we would put up here for a little added fun. Now let's read what we've got going on. I think we will use this Best Wishes as our title since it's a retirement celebration. Anne was a teacher for a very, very long time. I only had the pleasure of meeting her in May. And let me tell you, this group of girls are like my bestest friends in the entire world. I absolutely love and adore them. So I just take my scissors. I do have an edge distresser, you guys, but I'm lazy and I just don't feel like reaching for it. So I usually grab my scissors. They do a very good job, but since I can't cut straight, I usually just crinkle up the edges, right? We're going to pop this up as well. But this group of ladies are just so accepting and loving, and I'm so glad that Franny asked me to go to She Loves Color with her last year. We are going again. She's my roommate. And Franny, if you're watching, you're one of the best roommates ever because I snore something fierce. I have a CPAP now. That's the only reason I can sleep with Jamie and Jean. But because we room together now too at the crops and stuff. But Fran was like, your snoring didn't bother me. And I was like, well, you must be one sound sleeper. So, but now I take my CPAP. These are the ladies that I was supposed to go to North Dakota with, but I ended up in Germany. So I am hoping to be able to repeat more overseas trips. So what do we think? Let's get that stuck in there for our best wishes. All of these things are so fun. So I always come in, I just rip it out, you guys. I am horribly rough on things like this because I'm going to trim it very close to the edge. So we're going to add just a few more balloons in that pile of balloons. But I fall in love with these collections that 3/4 Designs makes because, oh my gee, are they not just glorious in every way? You like need nothing else. So I'm going to pop this on there as well. Stick it there. And what else do we have? Let's use these fun ones. Also, I'm weird and I hate excess. I have dropped that thing like 15 times. It's a roll of tape. All right. So we got those three, and then I usually just kind of come in here and those, and then we'll put one there, there, I think we need more. Need something fun right there, a little 3D element, right? Let's just get one of these blue little stars. Okay. So now I've got to figure out where I put all these dots. How fun is this? Okay, then we need medium and a small. And there's a small and a medium. Gives it a little bit of shine. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for this fabulous layout using the Birthday Wishes collection. So I will have a link down below. Head to the shop, pick yourself up some of this fabulous collection. I think this is so cute. Oh, so cute. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.